In Zimbabwe politics, history doesn't whisper, it shouts. The same maneuvers, the same ambitions, the same tragic miscalculations. We have seen this play before, and the curtain is rising once again. Back in the twilight of his rule, Robert Mugabe tried desperately to sideline Emmerson Mnangagwa, his long-term ally, in favor of a more controllable successor, Dr. Sidney Sekeramai. Mugabe's goal was simply install a puppet who would protect his legacy and shield his interests, but the plan failed. Mnangagwa, backed by military and the party's inner machinery, rose to power in a dramatic reversal that rewrote Zimbabwe's political script. Zabeda mashoko atukendrambira towanana chikomsarwa pamusoro pechaos iri kunzi history yakuda kuzviripita again. So amboitika muna 2017 dot subscribe like tomba bell icon. Saruru anoendrambira achiti fast forward to today, and President Mnangagwa is reading from the same worn-out chorus book. This time, the target is Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga. The strategy: isolate him, undermine him, and ultimately replace him with clown Kudakwashe Tagure, a man whose name is synonymous with corruption, state capture, and elite plunder. But here is the truth, like it or not. General Chiwenga is the next Zambia First Secretary and the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa's attempt to crown criminal Tagure is not just a betrayal of the liberation legacy, it's a dangerous gamble. Clown Tagure is no Sekeramai. He is not a seasoned statesman. He is a businessman with the deep ties to shadowy deals and sanctioned networks. Elevating him would be a declaration that Zimbabwe is for sale to the highest bidder. Just as Mugabe failed to suppress Mnangagwa, Mnangagwa failed to suppress General Chiwenga. The Vice President is no stranger to power dynamics. He is a military tactician, a political survivor, and a man who understands the pulse of Zimbabwe, of ZANU-PF better than most. Attempts to isolate him will only galvanize his base and accelerate the inevitable. Zimbabweans must not sleepwalk into another era of elite manipulation. The people stopped Mugabe's plan. We can stop Mnangagwa's plan. The idea of crowning criminal Tagure, a man whose interests lie in profit, not people, is an insult to every citizen who dreams of a just and accountable government. This is not just about succession, it's about sovereignty. It's about refusing to let our future be auctioned off to criminal networks, disguising as political allies. We are not passive observers. We are the authors of our destiny. The chorus may be familiar, but the ending may be rewritten. Mnangagwa's attempt to install clown Tagure must be met with fierce resistance from the party, from the people, from every institution that still believes in Zimbabwe's promise. History repeats itself, but only if we let it. Domashko ari powerful, arikuya chudzwana Tagure. Bila comment section medu mudza mafungiro enyu moti kudipa mzoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.